The Metaverse, from hype to reality check. Remember the Metaverse? In 2021, it was everywhere. Facebook rebranded to Meta, showcasing a future of virtual reality meetings and endless digital landscapes. The tech world buzzed with excitement. Fast forward to 2025, and the initial euphoria has waned. The Metaverse hasn't taken over our lives as predicted, leading many to question its future. Is the Metaverse still destined to be the next big thing, or was it all just hype? While the initial hype has subsided, the underlying technologies and concepts are evolving rapidly. The Metaverse wasn't a singular idea but rather a convergence of trends, each at different stages of development. Some aspects, like blockchain-based virtual worlds, have struggled to gain mainstream traction. Others, like augmented reality applications in everyday life, are gaining steady adoption. The question is no longer if the Metaverse will arrive, but how it will unfold. Beyond the Metaverse, the rise of spatial computing. The term Metaverse itself has become somewhat loaded, often associated with closed ecosystems and speculative investments. Instead, the industry is shifting towards spatial computing, a broader term encompassing augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. This shift signifies a move away from fully immersive virtual worlds to a more integrated reality where digital content enhances our physical surroundings. Think augmented reality glasses overlaying real-time information onto your view, or virtual reality simulations used for surgical training. Spatial computing technologies are poised to reshape how we interact with information, each other, and the world around us. This evolution from the Metaverse to spatial computing reflects a more nuanced and pragmatic approach, focusing on real-world applications and tangible benefits. Adoption rates and user experience, a mixed bag. While the vision of spatial computing is compelling, adoption rates paint a mixed picture. Virtual reality headset sales have plateaued, falling short of initial projections. High costs, bulky hardware, and concerns over privacy have hampered widespread adoption. On the other hand, augmented reality is seeing steady growth, driven by smartphone applications and the increasing affordability of smart glasses. User experience remains a major hurdle. Current virtual reality experiences can be isolating and lack the social connectivity promised by early Metaverse proponents. Content quality varies greatly, with many virtual worlds feeling empty or lacking engaging experiences. Bridging the gap between hype and reality requires addressing these challenges and delivering compelling use cases that go beyond novelty. Stepping out of the game Metaverse applications in the real world. Despite the challenges, spatial computing is finding its footing in various sectors outside of gaming. In healthcare, surgeons are using virtual reality for complex procedure simulations, and augmented reality assists with real-time patient data visualization during operations. Education benefits from immersive learning experiences, transporting students to historical events or inside the human body. Architects and engineers utilize virtual reality for collaborative design reviews, while manufacturers leverage augmented reality for remote expert assistance and on-the-job training. These real-world applications demonstrate the transformative potential of spatial computing across industries, moving beyond entertainment and into practical, value-driven solutions. Web3 and the Metaverse, a blockchain-powered future? The intersection of Web3 and the Metaverse holds both promise and uncertainty. Proponents envision a decentralized metaverse where users have ownership of their digital assets and identities, facilitated by blockchain technology. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a key component of this vision, enabling the creation and trading of unique digital items. However, the integration of Web3 faces significant hurdles. Scalability remains a challenge for blockchain networks, and the user experience for managing digital assets is complex for mainstream adoption. Privacy concerns are also paramount, as the transparent nature of blockchain technology clashes with the need for user anonymity and data protection. The industrial metaverse transforming industries from within. While consumer-facing applications grab headlines, the industrial metaverse is quietly revolutionizing enterprise operations. Manufacturing giants are creating digital twins of their factories, allowing for real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and remote collaboration. Supply chain logistics are being optimized through virtual simulations, improving efficiency and reducing costs. The industrial metaverse empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, streamline processes, and enhance worker safety. By merging the physical and digital worlds, companies can unlock new levels of efficiency, agility, and innovation. This behind-the-scenes transformation is where the most immediate and impactful applications of spatial computing are taking shape. Challenges on the path to a seamless metaverse. Despite the progress, several challenges need to be addressed for spatial computing to reach its full potential. The cost of high-quality VR and AR equipment remains a barrier for many consumers and institutions. Content quality needs to improve drastically, moving beyond shallow experiences to truly engaging and valuable applications. Privacy concerns are paramount, as the collection and use of user data in spatial computing environments raise ethical and security questions. Accessibility is crucial, ensuring that these technologies are inclusive and cater to diverse needs and abilities. Addressing these challenges is essential for building a responsible and sustainable future for spatial computing. The key to unlocking the metaverse's true potential. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of spatial computing. AI algorithms power everything from realistic avatar animation and natural language processing in virtual environments to object recognition and scene understanding in AR applications. As AI technology advances, it will unlock new possibilities for immersive and intuitive experiences. Imagine AI assistants that can seamlessly navigate virtual worlds, translate languages in real time, or personalize content based on user preferences. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data will enable the creation of intelligent environments that adapt to our needs and enhance our capabilities. The synergy between AI and spatial computing is crucial for realizing the transformative potential of this technology. The metaverse in 2025 and beyond, a realistic outlook. 5 years after the metaverse frenzy, a more nuanced picture emerges. While the initial hype has faded, the underlying technologies are steadily advancing, finding practical applications across industries. The focus has shifted from escapist visions of virtual worlds to the more grounded concept of spatial computing, where digital content enhances our physical reality. The metaverse, or rather spatial computing, is not a singular destination but an ongoing evolution. It will be defined not by hype cycles but by the value it brings to our lives, from revolutionizing healthcare and education to transforming how we work and interact with the world around us. The future is not about escaping into virtual realms, but about seamlessly merging the digital and physical to create a more connected, efficient, and empowered reality.